Today I ride in this bus. This looks like fun. Today I ride in this bus about 50 people, but we will split in 3 groups, each about 15 people. I'm in a group A. We will go about 12 kilometers and 1 kilometer ascent. As you can see in the image, there is no up and downs, just up for 5.5 kilometers. We'll see how it goes. Nice craters left by cow feet. Interesting. So we climbed all the way from there, about 500 meters and 5 kilometers so far. As far as I can tell, it's half to go. It's a very nice gravel road, but quite steep. Not much rest, ascending all the time. This is Col Depot. We have arrived. Another beautiful day. No clouds, no rain, no storms. Perfect. We just voted. 4 people wanted to climb this mountain here. Others wanted to go another way around, because if you take this mountain here, you go back the same road we ride. It's supposed to be more beautiful there. It's always interesting to go circle, not back on the same road, but I don't mind. I don't mind either way. I wonder why I didn't see this route on the map, because now I know why I didn't see it, because it's not really a road or route. We just are making a shortcut, some kind of. So this is where we just came down on the stones there. Doesn't look like people often come here. It's challenging to go on a path like this, but yeah, I must agree, the scenery is indeed awesome, worth the struggle. So I got a walking stick. Otherwise, they told me they will throw out of the club if I continue walking without the without the stick. Came up there on a small road, went around this thing, and here. we are coming back on the same gravel road that we came up. We're almost done. It's about 20 minutes till we reach our bus. Better. It wasn't an easy hike. Not many rests, and we were either climbing or descending all the time, and that kind of gets to you after a while. It was a sunny day, and it added to the difficulty. The funny thing is, in the evening I'm going to dancing classes, so this will be fun. And we are back at the bus 5.5 hours later, and 12.5 kilometers later, and 1,000 kilometers ascent descent later, and now back to Paul.